Neanderthals and modern humans. Love, war, and DNA. Neanderthals and modern humans share a fascinating story filled with cooperation, conflict, and connection. Their relationship wasn't just about competition, it was also about love, survival, and sharing. When modern humans left Africa around 60,000 years ago, they encountered Neanderthals living across Europe and parts of Asia. For a long time, people believed these encounters were violent clashes that ended with Neanderthals disappearing. But recent evidence paints a more complex picture. There were moments of conflict, no doubt. Both species hunted similar animals and competed for resources. But alongside the competition, there was also cooperation. They shared landscapes, exchanged ideas, and, most surprisingly, interbred. DNA analysis reveals that modern humans carry between 1 to 2% Neanderthal DNA in their genomes. This means that our ancestors didn't just fight Neanderthals, they also loved them enough to have children. These interbreeding events happened multiple times, showing ongoing contact and connection. This genetic blending had real impacts. Some Neanderthal genes helped modern humans adapt to colder climates and new environments. Others affected immune responses, making our ancestors better at fighting diseases they encountered outside Africa. However, this relationship was not always peaceful. Archaeological evidence shows signs of competition and possibly conflict. Neanderthals eventually disappeared around 40,000 years ago, and while the reasons are still debated, it's likely that a combination of factors, including competition with modern humans, climate change, and small population sizes led to their extinction. Despite their disappearance as a distinct group, Neanderthals left a lasting legacy. Their DNA lives on in millions of people today. This shared genetic heritage reminds us that human history is interconnected and complex. The story of Neanderthals and modern humans also challenges old ideas that portrayed Neanderthals as brutish or inferior. Instead, it shows that they were capable, intelligent beings who contributed to the genetic and cultural makeup of our species. Understanding this relationship helps us appreciate the diversity within our own species. It reminds us that love, war, and survival have always been part of the human experience, shaping who we are in profound ways. So, the next time you think about human history, remember the Neanderthals. They are not just our ancient cousins, but a part of our story, written into our very DNA.